Started soon. Geekmaxi 11.11 sales. Now this is the Geekmaxi 11.11 sale, up to 50% off. Just check limited offer till end, only 2 days. For only 11.11 sales. Coffee maker, and beater, etc. Also have coupon zone. Coupon zone is the very interesting features. Now you can buy over 800 euros, then you using this coupon 45 euros discount. Similarly, you offer 600 euros, you discount 35 euros, and over 3000 euros you discount 20 euros, and 50 euros then you can get 5 euros discount coupon code. Also, buy one get free gifts. Then you can buy gaming monitor, vacuum cleaner, electric bicycle, projector, then every single parts you can get a small gift. Then also buy two, save extra 5% off. This means you buy two, then you can get 5% extra off. This is the best deal. Okay, you can start Geekmaxi 11.11 sale. Thank you so much.